Find features that differentiate it from other brands for CushyOasis, All-in-1, Camping Pillow Set. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Complete Travel Sleep Kit. CushyOasis Travel Pillow Set includes a shredded memory foam neck pillow, an eye mask, earplugs, extra foam bag and a washable cover. Perfect for camping, flights, car trips, or any travel adventure. Customizable Comfort. Easily adjust height and firmness by adding or removing foam fill. Whether you sleep on your side, back, or stomach, this neck pillow ensures perfect support for a pain-free rest. Ergonomic and supportive. Made from premium shredded memory foam, CushyOasis camping pillow gently conforms to your head and neck, providing superior support and helping to relieve pressure for a more comfortable sleep during travel. Compact and portable. Measuring 16 x 12 inches, this small pillow compresses neatly into the included storage bag, making it easy to pack and carry. The bag keeps the pillow safe from dirt and dust during transit. Easy to clean. Features a removable, machine washable cover. Simply wash in cold water and air dry for quick maintenance and a fresh pillow for every trip. For the best results, shake and fluff the pillow before use to help it fully expand. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.